Okay, good everyone. Welcome to 5 minutes with Faraday. The subject I'll be taking a look at today is mathematics, and the topic is trigonometric ratios of special angles. Now, I'm going to talk about the trigonometric ratios of some special angles. The angles are angle 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. As for today, I'm going to take these three angles: angle 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. Now, you need to know something we call SOHCAHTOA. The S here is sine. So for sine, O here represents opposite. H here is hypotenuse. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Now C here is cosine. A here is adjacent over H is hypotenuse. T is tangent is equal to O is opposite and A is what? Adjacent. Now it means sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Now, let's take a look at this first angle 45. This is a triangle, a right angled triangle. We have root 2 here, we have 1 here, 1 here. There is A, B, C. Now this is for angle 45 degrees, angle 45. Now, I believe you know the side facing the right angle, the side facing the right angle, or the longest side, is called the hypotenuse. Now this is the angle. The side facing the angle is the opposite, and the last side is what? The adjacent. Therefore, our hypotenuse is root 2, our opposite is what? 1, and our adjacent is also 1. So sine 45 is equal to, I believe I told you, sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now opposite here is 1, hypotenuse here is root 2. Therefore sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 over root 2 cos 45 degrees. Now cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now the value of an adjacent here is also 1 over hypotenuse is root 2. Therefore the value of cos 45 degrees is 1 over root 2 tan 45 degrees. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now opposite here is 1, adjacent here is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. Therefore tan 45 degrees is 1. Sin 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. Cos 45 degrees is 1 over root 2. While tan 45 degrees is 1. Now you need to also know that what the root of 2 is 1.414. So let's go to angle 45 degrees, angle 30 degrees rather. We have this triangle. Okay, we have this. Now sine 30 degrees. No, sine 30 is, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 30 is the value of the opposite here. As I said earlier, the side facing the angle, the right angle, is the hypotenuse. Therefore hypotenuse is 2. The side facing the angle theta is our opposite. Opposite is 1, and the adjacent is root 3. So the value of our opposite here is 1, and the value of our hypotenuse is 2. Therefore sine 30 is equal to 1 over 2 cos 30 degrees. Now cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. The value of our adjacent here is root 3, and the value of our hypotenuse is 2. Therefore the value of cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2. Now the last one is tan 30 degrees. Tan Tan is opposite over adjacent. So the value of the opposite here is 1. And the value of the adjacent here is root 3. Therefore, tan 30 degrees is 1 over root 3. Now, the value of root 3 is 1.314. So guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that, so as to get notified when I post another video. Thank you.